Hello friends, today I came with a new and fresh video, so please watch this video till end and know about these amazing animals that scientists have discovered. So let us start this video. Scientists have discovered an animal that does not need oxygen to produce energy needed for its survival, a finding that changes one of science assumption about the animal world. The teeny less than 10 cell parasite Hemipleura salaminicola lives in salmon according to the finding published on Tuesday in the Journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States. As it evolved, the animal, which is a relative of jellyfish and corals, gave up drinking and consuming oxygen, or became anaerobic to produce energy. Aerobic respiration was thought to be ubiquitous in animals, but now we confirm that this is not the case, said Dorothy Hitchen, a professor at Tel Aviv University in Israel. Our discovery shows that evolution can go in a strange direction. Aerobic respiration is a major source of energy, and yet we found an animal that gave up this critical pathway, Wukong said.